Bolt is hot. Attack! Nope, ow, 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 ow. It's hot. And if you guys are virgins and I keep calling you fuckers, I apologize for that. Well, I got that little gappity gap right there. This weld, I kind of like this one. This is kind of nice because you can see, I was reading online and somebody said something about, you know, going uphill and doing the whole walking the cup situation. I think that's actually a pretty nice bead. I can't believe this welder cost me like 250 bucks. Get this done. I tried to weld in there to lock it in place so it wouldn't spin on me, as you know, when I was trying to get the damn thing out. But that bolt was so seized in there that the rusty surface that I was trying to weld onto, some of it caught, and I actually sat here with a drill bit, like drilling like holes at an angle through all that welding stuff before hitting it with a chisel and popping it off. And it just kind of, I don't have a Dremel tool, so I was sitting there with a drill and filing all kinds of shit to make it flat. So anyways, enough procrastinating. Let's get this fucking show on the road. Okay, so it works. Let's go. Get her done. Alright, so I just wanted to hit one tack and see how the weld felt. So I'm going to actually turn the speed up a bit so you can get a little bit more material in there. And I probably could turn this up a bit, but I don't know, I don't want to push it because it's going on to sort of sheet metal, and the intention really is just to keep this thing from spinning around in there. I don't need to have this, you know, be like a full bead across here because I end up warping the sheet metal, and I don't want that because it won't sit flat. You know, it could cause like a bubble under there, and that'd be no freaking good at all. So the setting I'm using is the same setting I'm gonna use when I put this little plate back in. I'm going in for another one. Wow. Might need the tactical flashlight. See. So I just wanted to drop a little string across and give it something to grab onto. I'm gonna put one around the corner now, just to be safe. Alright, so there's another lava caterpillar cooling on the subject. Let's let that cool off so I don't get too greedy, too cocky. And I gotta go find the little piece of material that I measured to put in there. Oh, I found it. Okay, so that piece is sitting pretty nice in there right now, as you can see. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at it. The hole is closed. Well, I think I'll go down the other side now. Wire it. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. It's gonna work, okay? That's all that matters. It's gonna work. Clean that shit up again. That's the only way it does work, this flux core stuff. Right? What do you think? I'm pretty happy with this. This is fun. What else you want to break? What else you want? Throw whatever you got. Sweet. Wowzers!